Hey guys, welcome to my channel, The Chubby Chick. This is Poonam. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a mango smoothie. Since mango is a seasonal fruit, it will be easily available around the market this time. And mango is a great source of vitamin C. It helps you lower down the cholesterol levels, and for all the beautiful girls out there, it gives you a glowing, flawless skin. So you must try it. This recipe which we are making today does not have any dairy and any sugar. It is healthy, nutritious and delicious. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So without any further ado, let's get cooking. You will need 2 teaspoons each of roasted oats, chia seeds and mixed seeds. It has sunflower, pumpkin, muskmelon and flax seeds, also called as alsi. Some chopped nuts, 1 chopped mango, some mango separately for garnishing, and about half a cup of water because it does not have any dairy, so we need some water to blend it in properly. Now I will add all of these to the blender. At this stage, you can also add some dates to make it even more sweeter. The mixed seeds and chia seeds are optional, but since they are a good source of proteins and fats, I'm adding them. Using only 1 teaspoon of chia seeds here and keeping the rest for the garnish. Now blend them in a blender until smooth and creamy. You can open and check in between for the consistency of it. You can add more water to it if you like, and also if you want to add milk to it, you can. Once that is done, you can add it to a bowl. Now you can decorate it as it is served in the restaurants. I'm adding some chopped mango over here. And I'm going to add the rest of the chia seeds which I saved. Chia seeds are good antioxidants. You should try to add them in your meals. And now finally garnishing it with some chopped nuts. And it's ready. I hope you guys like my recipe and you're going to make it at your home soon. Kindly follow me on Instagram and do not forget to tag me in all your pictures. I'm leaving my Instagram handle here. Also, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe, stay healthy.